friends. Today I am from Technical Project making a video in English on our government. This video is of level class 5. So hope you enjoy the video and learn something from it. Government. It is important to have a government so that the country runs well. There are 3 levels of government in India: local government, state government, and central government. Local government. It is the government of villages and cities like Gram Panchayat and municipal corporations. See, this is one photo of Gram Panchayat. State government. It is the government that looks after the state. It looks after the education, health and laws of the state. Like government of Punjab. Punjab is state and it also has a government. Central government. It looks after the whole country. It looks after the whole country and it is based in Delhi. It has 2 parts: Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. See, the central government based in Lok Sabha. It is known as the lower house of parliament. In this elections, in this elections happen. The party which gets the maximum votes forms a government. People are elected for 5 years. Every party should have maximum 552 members. The elections in 2014, the party had 543 members. The vote is given by general people in this. The vote is given by general people. In this, every member wins from one constituency. There are 543 constituencies in India. See, this is one picture of Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha. It is the upper house of parliament. In this also elections happen, but in this they are voted by state legislative assemblies. They are elected for 6 years. Maximum members are 252. See, this is a picture of Raj. The president. The president is head of the country. He or she is elected for 5 years. Elections happen for president. Vote is given by Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and state legislative assemblies. Current president of India is Mr. Ramnath Kovind. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And I hope I learned something from it. Thank you.